guys, continuing with my uber late things that I'm trying to slowly catch up on bit by bit right now. How about the January Ipsy Glam bag? Let's do that! So we're gonna do that. Here we go. So anyways, first things first, let's grab everything out of here. This is what the bag looks like. It's really, really cute. I love this marble design. This is beautiful, and for me personally, marble's always a special thing since there was the Proctor Marble Mines in Vermont that our family has ties to. It just, there's a whole thing, but there's that, and just aesthetically, it's so cute. This color combo, I love together. I'm normally not that wild on pink, but this is really cute, I have to admit. So, the one thing that was too big to fit in there also matches with it, and it's a brush. I will have more info on this brush in a minute when I get the little card out of there. I'll do it first just because it's big and didn't fit in the bag, but let's see here. So we've got, here's what the little card looked like. January 2020, hashtag discover yourself, hashtag Ipsy clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. Let's see on the back. Dream big, win big. They say the key to getting what you want is putting it into the universe. To kickstart that process, we're giving one lucky intention-setting Ipster over 80 from all 3 of our memberships, plus $1,000. Want to win? Man, I really wish I had looked at this back when it was relevant, because it expired on February 3rd. So there's no point reading further on that since it's over. Man, that would have been nice to win, though. Okay, so a world of possibilities awaits. Your 5 glam bag picks have arrived, and the future is already looking beautiful. Okay, so this is a Farrah brush, 160F face brush. So let's take it out and get a better look. Ooh, I almost pushed it the wrong way. Let's not ruin the bristles. Oh, I suppose it does say it right there on it. Yeah. It also says Farrah on it too. I just didn't see it when it was in the thingy. That is so pretty, and you can tell they had to have partnered up with Ipsy to make this match so perfectly with the pink bristles and the gray marble, and just I'm still on my kick of rose gold everything, so this I'm like yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, I love it so hard I could cry. I'm realizing more and more I really need to get a proper holder for my brushes so they can stop getting smushed inside of one of my Ipsy bags I keep cramming them into even though they don't really fit. But, who would like to point me in the direction of a nice cheap one that works well, that's nice and big and holds a lot of them? Please, comments down below. Yeah, so this is super soft. Oh, I like it. I like that a lot. I know there's nothing on it. I'm literally just feeling it because they always feel so nice on my face. But anyway, let's read the thingy. Meet the only makeup brush you need to apply your liquid, powder, or cream bronzers and blushes. The rounded and angled brush head fits perfectly into the contours of your face. Yeah, it does. And blends products out seamlessly. Plus, the soft synthetic bristles are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Tip, dip this brush into bronzer or blush. Tap or wipe off excess and then blend it wherever you need. That's not a tip, that's literally a how to use it. Full size, and this is a $12 value. I will happily take it, guys. That is a nice brush. I like how it feels. Honestly, I know I keep petting myself with it, but they feel so good. For real. I love them. I love them so hard. It is a little sheddy, but, I mean, could be worse. So I am not complaining. But, oh, that is so pretty. And I want that on display. So, again, recommendations, guys, would be very, very, very appreciated. Let's go ahead and stick that back in there. Protect those bristles. Yes. Okay. So, there's that. There's that. Back into the plastic for now, my dear. And then we'll move along. that's a $12 value just right there. That's the price of the bag itself for the regular glam bag, which is what this is. That's $12, so that brush right there is already worth the whole thing. So next thing is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in Sea Kissed. This is a deluxe sample. The value of the full version of this, the 3.4 fluid ounce one, is $24. So granted, this is a mini, but that's still pretty good that we get to try this out when it's worth that for the full size. So this sea-scented travel-sized hand cream is made with Dead Sea minerals, which, in addition to locking in moisture, are known for easing eczema and psoriasis flare-ups that can worsen in cold weather. It's packed with ingredients like witch hazel and allantoin to heal, soften, and soothe dry, rough skin. Tip: slather it on your feet before bed, put on clean socks, and wake up to softer, smoother feet. Again, that's true of like any lotion, really. Let me answer this one real quick. And then, okay. But yeah, that's true of anything. But let's see. Does it say anything else on here? For some reason, I wasn't expecting Arabic on the back, but I suppose with a name like Ahava, I should not be surprised with that middle line there. I was like, oh, okay, that's kind of cool. There's like a couple different areas in here that has that. I'm like, oh wow. Oh yeah, duh, it was made in Israel. Of course it's going to have that. Durr. Okay. A rich hand cream drenches your hands in velvety smoothness while marine and floral notes awaken your senses. You are sea-kissed. Apply anytime. Approved for sensitive skin. If it's open, I will give it a sniff. If not, I will keep it shut for now. And it's not, so I will keep it shut for now. I know what it smells like, though, because my mom got the same one in her bag, and not only did she open it, but she squeezed it a little too much when she did, and it went splat into my face. So I am well versed with what this smells like. It does smell good, but it's one of those things that you don't really want up your nose. Just a thought. It will get a review, but anyways. Moving right along. Oh yeah, I forgot I got a nail polish that month. That's right. Okay. So let me just... Okay. So this is by Misha Beauty. And where's the color? It's a Luxe Lacquer. Hashtag NYFW. New York Fashion Week. Okay, it took me a second. I was like, NYFW. I know this. What is that acronym? And got it. So let's see. Misha Beauty. Let me fix this too real quick. I know. So unprofessional. It's the bottom one. Misha Beauty. Oh, Misho, not Misha. My bad. Misha Beauty Nail Lacquer in hashtag NYFW. This appropriately named polish from Luxe non-toxic polish brand Misho is one of the chicest in our polish collections. I'm sorry, chicest. I can read. I swear I know that word. I don't know why the other came out. The creamy navy blue color is chip resistant and has a high shine finish that we love for glamming up our winter days and nights. Plus it's vegan friendly, cruelty free, and gluten free. Tip: apply this rich navy color on every nail or as an accent color for a modern and stylish mani. I will put it on all of them, thank you. Deluxe sample, the value size of this 11 milliliter is $20. Well, what size is this? 10. So it's like barely downsized. So I will just more or less count it as almost being full size then. But let's get a good look at it. Ooh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It's almost black. It's so dark, but it's not quite. I know. It's really hard to tell from that. It is so close to being black, but it's not. Let's see. Can we tell a little more? I'm not going to let it drip, but can we tell a little better from that? Not really. No. Okay. Well, when I get around to reviewing it, what about here? There you go! Now you can see it right in here. You can see that it is indeed navy blue. Okay, so that's all we'll do for now. But it will be getting put on. I'm enjoying my tiger nails right now, so those are gonna stay put for the moment. Just saying. Just saying. And I think I'm going to be doing this Nail Medic one before that, which is in this color, so. But we will get to them. We will get to them. So, let me set that aside. What else we got? Oh, that's right. Okay. So we have... This makes me laugh because I think I actually bought it as an add-on in a different one, and then I ended up getting it in here. I was like, oh, that would have been really nice to get that before I bought it as an add-on thing. But, this is a full size. It is a Beauty for Real Lip Revival Tinted Lip Balm in the color Hannah. And Brooke USA, I don't know what that has anything to do with anything. Maybe that's the line it's from. I'm not sure. But, the color is about like that. I'm not going to open it up till I go to review it, so we're going to be leaving that shut for right now. I will read you the blurb. So the full-size value of this is $14, by the way, and this is full-size. So, you get the best of many worlds with this tinted lip balm. It's got a rosy brown tint, delivers all-day hydration thanks to shea butter and macadamia nut oil, and it's created in collaboration with Brooke USA. Oh, there we go. Whose mission is to improve the lives of working horses, donkeys, and mules all over the world. I respect that. Tip, swipe balm onto bare lips, over lipstick for a glossy effect, or mix it with lipstick for a sheer stain. Okay. So we got that. And then finally, I think this was my item that I picked, actually. Because I have two Arabic things. So this is by the brand Nomad Cosmetics, and it's in the Nomad and Marrakesh Medina collaboration. It's an intense eyeshadow in the color Desert Sands. So let me show it to you first. Actually, let me read you the back first, and then I'll read the blurb. So, intensely vibrant and super smooth shimmer golden amber eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with argan oil for crease-proof color, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. So let me show it to you. I love the packaging on this, like really, really love it. Okay, so little and cute. So this is a deluxe sample size. The full size is 0.75 ounces. This one is 0.05 ounces. So this is like an itty bitty version of the full size, but the full size one of this is $37. That will not be happening. So I will enjoy this little guy while it lasts, and we know how long it takes me to go through even the size of a pan of eyeshadow, so I'm good. I'm good. But look how beautiful that is. This beautiful gold bronzy color. It's more shimmery in person than it's picking up on camera. My mom also got this one, so I can attest that it is really gorgeous on. But yes, so no time for a winter getaway. Nomad Cosmetics products are inspired by beautiful destinations around the world, and this shimmery golden amber is named for the vast sands of the Sahara Desert. The finely milled powder is made with moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for crease-proof color. Tip, sweep this shadow all over lids, along lash lines, or use it to highlight your inner eye corners. So anyways, that's what I got in my January Ipsy Glam bag. I'll also do the Glam Bag Plus box later on, but for now, here's the bag. We're one step closer to being caught up, guys. So if you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. What did you guys get in your January Ipsy Glam bags if you get Ipsy? What is your favorite thing that I got that you're most excited to see me review? Let me know down below, as well as anything about anything. Just let me know all of it. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.